Hello friends, welcome to Tete a Tete with Banking Frontiers. Today I have with me Ajay Kumar. He is the Regional Managing Director for APAC at Entrust Data Card. Welcome Ajay.
Thank you very much.
Ajay, Entrust Data Card is a huge company with doing business with bankers all over the world. Yeah. What is the size of this market? What is your share of this market? Can you give us a picture?
Yeah, of course. So thanks Manoj. As you know that you mentioned about financial services that we deal with that particular segment. I take care of financial instant issuance and branch transformation initiative in Asia Pacific region. If you look at the overall financial services market for us, we work with more than 1,000 plus banks globally.
Okay.
And we have about 90% market share in financial card personalization.
Wow.
Globally. If you talk about the Indian market, all the card bureaus are our customers using our big systems to personalize debit, credit or prepaid card.
Okay.
Most of the RuPay cards have been personalized under Jan Dhan Yojana on our machines.
Okay.
Because there was a demand from Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, and they used our systems to personalize those cards actually for the
That's
banks.
Great, wonderful.
Yeah. So yes, it is a huge opportunity for us to serve banks in a different way, in a secure way, and to actually issue cards from the branches rather to issue card from the branch from the bureau locations actually. So this is our one of the product portfolio.
So what has been the success in India?
Okay.
So with so many cards being issued and now cards are going into remote areas, centralized printing and mailing of these cards is known to be a logistical challenge and a cost challenge also for the banks. So what is the progress in terms of printing of these cards and delivery of these locally at the branch itself, what we commonly call as instant issuance as compared to centralized issuance? What is the scenario in India today?
So it's a great question, Manoj. As you know that when cards are issued from a central issuance, it takes so much of a time, 7 to 8 days time, and there are a couple of challenges as well in terms of a logistic challenges. There is a cost involved in terms of a mailers and other logistic charges or commercials.
Yes.
So instant issuance is the best solution to solve that problem, whereas the card can be issued from the branch itself after account opening. And we have a different models like a hub and spoke model. If suppose that if one regional branch can take care of the other branch in the region as well, and we can have a instant issuance solutions in that particular branch. It's a kind of a mini bureau where you can personalize card from the branch itself.
Okay. So what is the extent of this in India? Who are your main customers? Can you name any of your customers?
Yeah. So if you look at our central issuance, the system, all the card bureaus are using our machines. But on an instant issuance side, State Bank of India launched SBI In Touch, which is a digital bank of the future.
Yes.
They are using our systems in their 7 branches, and our flagship product is being used inside the kiosk, where after account opening, card can be issued, personalized card can be issued from the kiosk itself. So it's a great innovation, I believe, and SBI was the first bank who launched instant issuance in India.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. You also have the Entrust business now that Entrust and Data Card are together. Yeah. What is the scenario in India and in APAC?
Yeah, so if you look at the security business, from Entrust Data Card side, we have a lot of the opportunities. We have a lot of interactions with the bankers in the financial services segment, because we have a product, we have a very strong user authentication product called IDG, which is called Identity Guard, and we have 17 different authenticators under one rainbow. 17. Wow. And so it caters almost the every spectrum of the financial services, be it the OTP or a highly sophisticated biometrics authentication or a geolocation authentications or a tokens. So we have all authenticators under one umbrella, which is called Identity Guard. So the bankers are using our authentications in India as well. More than 15 banks are using our authentication product as on date.
So are these sold as 17 different solutions or one solution? Or how is it?
It depends
packaged?
It depends on what kind of the level of risk the bank is looking at it.
Okay.
So if there is a step-up authentication or there is a second factor of authentication, banks can go 2 or 3 combination of authentication.
Okay.
So it depends ultimately what is kind of the risk they are looking at it in overall application.
They can choose and pick the modules they want.
They can choose. For a moment, they can choose username and password along with the biometrics. So there might be different combinations how they can perceive the risk and then implement that user authentication.
Okay, that's interesting. So Ajay, what are the various use cases of instant issuance? Is just issuing a new debit card or a new card to a customer, or there's more to it?
Yeah. So as Manoj, as I mentioned, that we have been working with 1,000+ banks globally, and every bank has its own use case. So for a moment, Barclays in UK, they have launched instant issuance for a replacement of cards.
Okay.
So they didn't use it when they launched the program. They didn't use it for acquiring new customers.
Oh.
Yeah, they used the instant issuance solutions to actually provide the services for the replacement cards.
Okay.
One bank in US, they are using a mobile issuance. Means they have put the machine on the vehicle, and they are issuing debit card from the corporate centers. Instantly. So they are opening an account and issuing the cards then and there from there. So these are the multiple use cases. In Japan, if you look at it, the credit card are being issued from the kiosk itself.
From a kiosk?
From the kiosk itself. So what is happening today, if you look at credit card instant issuance or a credit card issuance, after application filling up and all these formalities, it takes about 15 to 20 days to issue a credit card.
Right.
But in instant issuance of a credit card, what's happening, the customer fills the application on the kiosk, he completes his eKYC process, the data is fetched from the central depository.
Yes.
And after completing that underwriting process, instantly, online underwriting process, the credit card is issued from the kiosk itself.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
that's awesome actually.
This is awesome. So this is a wow experience for the customers. If he gets debit card, I understand, but if he gets credit card,
yes.
Which is a landing product for him, immediately, instantly, so he can go and use it. Look at the different scenario. For bank, because banks is going to get revenue instantly in terms of the interchange fees, because card is going to be used instantly after issuance. There is a lot of revenue benefits for the banks, and it's a very strong business case when we talk about instant issuance of a debit and credit card.
In fact, in India, what has been seen lately, the ATMs have been set up, and including white label ATMs. But not enough cards have been issued to use those ATMs in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. So perhaps a mobile ATM or a hub spoke model might work better in these areas.
Absolutely. So there are a couple of use cases in a couple of other markets outside India. They have launched a smart ATMs where you can withdraw cash as well as you can apply for the new account and can get your debit card issued from there. So a smart ATM which has multiple functionalities. The VTM is also another the use case.
VTM,
virtual teller machine.
VTM,
where you have everything. You can open an account, you can get your personalized debit card, and you can get your cash. But at the same time, there is a telecaller which is sitting behind the screen, and you can talk to her immediately. And then he or she can assist you in terms of choosing right product, whether it's a wealth management or some other product of the bank. So these are the innovations of the banks actually which are being implemented across the globe, and we are helping banks to launch these kinds.
Has this VTM come to India?
There is a discussion going on, but it's quite prominent in China market.
China?
Yes. So there are a lot of companies who are working on the VTM side of the business. And we are part of those discussions as well.
The way you described instant issuance, I think there might be an opportunity because there's a lot of, in e-commerce, there's a lot of cash on delivery, right? And everyone in that chain is interested in replacing the cash with electronic payment, digital payment. So if e-commerce players can identify pockets of customers then maybe them and banks can come together to issue cards
Yeah.
to customers who do a lot of cash on delivery e-commerce. So that might also be an opportunity, I think.
Yeah, so there are multiple, as I mentioned, there are
That
multiple
might
use
be a
cases.
use case. Yeah.
There might be multiple use cases. What about the data breach? If suppose if data breach is there with the bank, what is going to happen next? The first priority of the bank is to support the customer
Correct.
and to block his old card, to issue a new
Issue
card.
a new card. Exactly.
The customer is not going to wait for 7 to 8 days to get his new card after the data breach
True.
or even the lost or a stolen case,
Yes.
because it's a scary situation for the customer.
Correct.
Yeah, so in that panic situation, if bank serves customer in a right way and support with the personalized instant issuance services, he will get a wow experience and he will be a loyal customers forever for the bank.
Correct. That is what it needed today, because
Yeah.
there's a lot of competition in the banking sector
Absolutely.
to acquire customers, and customers can switch in a few seconds
Yes.
if they're unhappy.
Yeah, they are unhappy. And this is the time when he feels that unsatisfaction, that bank has not served me in the difficult situation.
Correct. That's when the relationship is
Yes.
built. Great. Great. Thank you, Ajay, very much. It's been nice talking to you.
Thank you very much, Manoj.